Welcome to the hub of all things digital. Today, we're delving into the world of apps that scale up your productivity game. So, if you're ready to take your efficiency to the next level, you're in the right place. In the digital realm, being on top means having the right arsenal. Today, we're focusing on key apps that can transform your device into a productivity powerhouse. Kicking off Evernote, the note-taking champion. From scribbling ideas to organizing articles and attaching PDFs, Evernote does it all. The best part? It syncs across all your devices, making sure your productivity isn't. Next, we've got Dropbox. This cloud-based storage system makes "where'd that file go?" a thing of the past. Store, share, collaborate, all in one place. Work becomes a breeze when all your documents are just a click away. Speaking of work, emails are an inevitable part of it. Enter Spark. With features like smart replies and collaborative email, Spark is a communication powerhouse you don't want to miss out on. Then there's Trello. This app brings fun to functionality with its unique card and board system. Think of it as your digital personal assistant, always ready to keep your projects organized. And finally, we have Forest. This app takes a unique approach to productivity focus. Watch your very own virtual tree grow as you concentrate. It's green, it's fun, and it's a great way to ward off procrastination. But before you rush to download these apps, remember, they are meant to be your productivity partners, not just another set of icons on your screen. These digital sidekicks are here to help your efficiency take flight. But remember, it's not just about getting things done faster, it's about working smarter. And that's what we at Meli Digital Hub are all about. For more tips and hacks on health and digital wisdom, make sure to subscribe and hit that alert bell. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let's grow together. That's it for today, folks. Feel free to share your favorite productivity app in the comments. Let's learn and level up together. Until next time, this is Meli Digital Hub signing off. Stay productive and stay digital.